Welcome. We'll discuss the commerce paper for your NTA NET 25th November. And this paper we had questions from economics. The questions were there from statistics, questions from income tax and ITR. So basic questions covered various aspects of management, commerce, economics and statistics. To begin with economics, so there were questions related to diminishing return. Now we have covered under the economic lectures the concepts of diminishing return and Cobb-Douglas model. Cobb-Douglas model is also covered on YouTube test prep, so definitely refer both of those. Then there were questions related to sequencing of going from international to domestic markets. So again, international to domestic was another question where sequence based questions was asked. Numerous sequence based questions were there. When it comes to statistics, the questions were very difficult, different I would say. Chi-square as always was one of the questions. Now these topics on statistics have been frequently asked across most of the subjects, so we have been covering most of the statistical section here. So chi-square was one of those. Then there was Mann-Whitney U-test. Then from the section on management, you had BCG matrix as one of the questions. Uppsala model as another question. There were questions on various methods and the sequencing. Then various years and in which year which act was prompted. So for example, life insurance, marine insurance. So various acts related to insurance, in which year which act came in. So there were various questions related to that. Coming on to economics, management section, you had ITR. So ITR 4 was one of the questions. Then there were questions based on the various exemptions, the entertainment allowances which were asked. So entertainment allowances. Then question on corporate social responsibility, acquisitions, questions related to government route, automatic route, FDI. Then within the statistics, again there were questions related to correlation, questions related to regression, standard error. So as we can see, numerous questions from statistics again this time. Then there was profit sharing and the ratio of profit sharing. So based on that, there were questions. From the section on economics, there were questions related to various models, as we had seen the Adam Smith model, the Olin, the Hecker Olin model. Then there were questions regarding Ricardo, David. So those were some of the questions from economics again. Then Karl Marx theory, Das Kapital, the various books. In the population section, we had Malthus theory of population as another question. This is again the topics on Ricardo, Malthus, Adam Smith we have covered exclusively on exam race and test prep channel. And then within the question bank for Doorstep Tutor, you have all the previous year papers solved. So as we have seen, I repeat again, there were significantly important questions and scoring questions from statistics, economics. Questions from economics also pertain to elasticity. So price elasticity and concepts related to microeconomics were extensively asked. So that was some of the major questions which were part of your commerce paper. There were two comprehension passages which were asked, and those were again moderately difficult, a little of which based on the passage, a little of which you had to know before you attempt the questions. So that was the analysis for your commerce paper. We would be covering many more interesting lectures for you. Stay tuned. Wish you good luck.